Mr. Pant came to Mrs. Indra Sharda to ask for help find account balance and withdraw money from the bank using ATM machine.
Good morning, Kaka. What's so special in the morning?
I know I am troubling you again, but I need some help.
No trouble at all. How can I help you?
Today I got an SMS from the bank regarding the pension amount deposited in the bank. So I want to check the account balance and withdraw some cash. I thought it would be better if I could use a debit card. Can I use a debit card to do these transactions? Do you have time today to come with me at the ATM center? If you are busy, then I can visit the bank and withdraw cash manually.
Yes, it's very much possible to do balance check and cash withdrawal. I can come with you. Please wait for me for some time and I'll get ready soon.
Yes, no problem. I can wait for you.
Kaka, insert your debit card here. Insert PIN number. Select balance check option using the touch screen. Now you can see your bank account balance.
Yes, I can see bank account balance. Monthly pension has been deposited. Now I want to withdraw money.
Select the continue option using the touch screen. Now select the withdraw option.
Now select the withdraw option. It is asking PIN again.
Yes, Kaka. ATM asks for PIN for every new transaction. It is essential to avoid any fraudulent operations. Now, type the amount using the number keypad.
This number keypad.
Yes, correct.
There is a message on the screen. Do not remove your card. Cash is in progress. Also, I could hear something.
The machine is counting cash to give it to you. Okay, so now the cash has been delivered here. Please collect the cash and exit the transaction. And don't forget to collect the card as well.
It was an excellent experience. I could do all transactions very quickly. I have checked the cash and it is accurate. Thanks Indira for helping me.
Now let us check how much you have understood from the above scene. Question 1. Can you do an account balance check and withdrawal of money using a debit card at an ATM? Answer: yes. Question 2. How should one enter a PIN? A. Number keypad on ATM. B. Touch screen. C. Both the above question. D. None of it. Answer: option A. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.